Hello.
Let me show you how to properly use and maintain your Agaro Galaxy gun massager. First, attach the massage head securely. Then press the power button to switch it on. Use the plus or minus buttons to adjust speed. Begin slow and increase as needed. Let's understand each massage head and where it works best. Use the round head on large muscles, like your legs and calves, for general relief. The flat head is ideal for the upper back and shoulders. Bullet head targets specific trigger points like the traps or spine edges. Use the fork head around your neck sides or ankles. Never use directly on the spine. Do not use on joints or bony areas. Avoid using on the same spot for over 15 minutes. Always wipe the massage head after use with a soft, damp cloth to keep it clean. Make sure you insert the USB cable properly. The LED bars indicates it's charging. Let's look into the FAQs and tips to keep your gun massager in perfect shape. If your device isn't powering on, try softly touching the power button properly. Ensure the charging cable was properly connected earlier and the battery isn't fully drained. If there's no indicator while charging, let it charge for a while, then power it on to see if the battery bars increase. If it's still not charging, contact Agaro support. Using the massager at full speed drains the battery faster. For longer sessions, go with mid or low speeds. If the massage head is loose, remove and reattach it till it fits snugly and locks in place. The device's safety feature will automatically shut off the unit after 15 minutes. Allow it to rest for a while before starting another session. If your issue isn't solved, scan the service QR in your manual or contact Agaro customer care. We're always ready to help. And that's it, Agaro Galaxy Gun Massager. A simple, smart way to recover and relax